Hello traders. Today we are looking at the new Heiken Ashi Indicator available for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This tool provides an enhanced version of Heiken Ashi candlestick smoothing to help you visualize trend direction more clearly. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and there we go. On the charts, the indicator replaces or overlays the standard candlesticks with smoothed Heiken Ashi candles. These modified candles use average values rather than raw open, high, low, and close prices, resulting in a smoother appearance. During trends, you will notice longer sequences of same colored candles with fewer wicks in the trending direction, making the trend easier to identify visually. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. For the inputs, we have the shadow of bear candlestick, the shadow of bull candlestick, the colors, the bear candlestick body, and the bull candlestick body. So you can customize your colors, and you can trade on your preferred time frames as well. As for who is for, this indicator is suited for traders who want a cleaner visual representation of trend direction. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Heiken Ashi candles lag behind actual price because of the averaging, meaning turning points appear with a delay. Always reference the actual price for precise levels and use this as a trend observation tool only. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.